Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we'll be seeing how you can insert embedded documents into MongoDB or else MongoDB Atlas using Pymongo, Python, not normal MongoDB or Mongo shell. We'll be using Python to insert inside it. Embedded document is nothing but inserting in a collection. We'll be inserting some different embedded collections also. I'll show you all in live while working with this code. You will get to know what we have to do. So now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into our topic and discuss more. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. Now let's dive into our topic. Okay. So now let me just connect with my Google Colab. And I'll be using the same MongoDB cluster. For now it's paused, but when I run it, when I connect with it, it will automatically get running. So let me just copy this same code. Till here I'll be copying the same code, paste. So collection will be same, database will be same, and my URL also will be same. There is no changes in that. So now what I'll be doing, so accessing database is done and collection is also done. My collection is created. Now let's directly insert the document. I'm writing this for your reference so that you guys don't get any mistakes while doing this. Let's take document embedded. Document with embedded is equals to, let me open the JSON file, enter. So now what I'll do, name, first let us take any name. I'll give a random name for this, like, okay, so this is my name, and age, so age will be 21. I'm just taking this as an example. And now after this, what we'll be doing, address. So when it comes to address, right, here we'll insert the embedded documents. For this, what I'll do, I'll again open a JSON, enter. So here what it happens, let's take the street. I'll take the street as 6th Street. Comma. Now city. Let's take Bangalore. Finally, let's take the zip code. So this is the zip code. If you want, you can insert it as a collection. No, it's fine. It will take it out. 6th Street, let's give here as, I'm just taking some random name. Okay. So now this embedded document is done. Now give comma, enter. Now another type of inserting an embedded document will be that interests. Actually, this is not an embedded document. You can consider this as a list itself. Interests. Let's take playing PUBG. So how many of them play PUBG? Just comment below if you are going to play PUBG. Traveling, comma, and trekking. Let's take this as an example of list. Okay, so done. So inserting will be done. Before I continue further operations, let me tell you where it is embedded. So whatever document is inside this particular JSON, this is our first JSON format, or you can say this dictionary. Inside this dictionary, there is one more dictionary. Like this, you can enter multiple dictionaries. So that is called embedded, nothing else but where you're inserting JSON format collections. In one collection, you are inserting another JSON format collection or information. That's all. Nothing more complex in this. Okay. So inserted is equals to collection dot insert one. So we are just inserting one document, right? So insert one document with embedded. Yeah, it came. Okay. So now finally what we'll be doing, print document ID, and here what we'll be doing, inserted dot inserted underscore ID, we'll get it. Yeah, inserted underscore ID. So this is done. Now enter. So that's all. Now let's run this and see. Okay, what it's coming. Okay, let's install PyMongo. So to install PyMongo, as I told you all earlier, pip install PyMongo. So now let's run this. It's getting downloaded. Okay, PyMongo has been inserted successfully. And this line, actually we don't require it. Now here, if we run this, now PyMongo is already inserted. Yeah, you can see here the document is also inserted. Now let's go back to our MongoDB cluster. This is our MongoDB cluster. It's activated. Let us see, it's connected already. It's already connected. Let's open this. Connect. Okay, let's view this directly. It is connected already. So browse the collections. Let us see inside this. You see this pymongo2.collections. Inside this it is okay. 20 are there. Let's run this. Yeah, you can see here. This is our object ID. My name was Mahi, age 21, and if you open this, you can see street 6th Street, Hodi, City, Bangalore 560066. This is the original pin code, which is currently available, and I stay in this pin code only. It's Whitefield area. And if you see here, interests 010 is playing PUBG, 1 is traveling, and 2 is trekking. So this is nothing but inserting the embedded documents. Based on your choice, you can select and you can give a list and proper detailed way. So normally in SQL, it's easy to do and you just use foreign key. But here in NoSQL, it's not possible, right? So we use this embedding method. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. Let's meet you all with the next video.